In this tutorial I will show you how you can actually remove filter from the TikTok video. Now first things first, we simply want to make sure we have actually updated the TikTok app to the latest version from Play Store or App Store. I'm going to open TikTok app. Now in order to remove a particular filter from a TikTok video, first of all I'm going to try and show you how to actually add an effect and actually remove that particular effect. So tap on the plus button right over here, and in order to use an effect or a filter I'm going to simply tap on the effects button. And then choose a certain effect over here. Then I will record video. This video right over here, and I want to actually remove the filter which I use. Tap on this effects button again. You can actually replace this effect with any other effects which you actually use, or else what you can do is actually simply tap on this button right over here to remove the filter. And then tap on the check button at the bottom.